The word enough means having as much as is necessary. It tells us when there is a sufficient amount of something to meet a need or purpose. We use enough to talk about quantities that are adequate, not too little or too much. Enough shows that the quantity or degree is just right. It means a sufficient amount or degree to satisfy a condition. When something is enough, it meets the required or desired standard perfectly. The word enough is placed differently depending on what it describes. Enough comes after adjectives and adverbs, but when enough describes nouns, it comes before the noun. When enough follows adjectives, it shows that the quality reached is sufficient. For example, when we say the coffee is hot enough, we mean the coffee is hot to a degree that is satisfactory. We use enough this way to talk about qualities and characteristics. Enough also follows adverbs when we want to say that an action is done to a sufficient degree. For example, she doesn't speak loud enough means her speaking volume is adequate. Using enough after adverbs helps explain how well or how much an action is done. When enough comes before nouns, it means there is a sufficient amount of the noun. For example, do we have enough time? Means the time available is sufficient for the purpose. This way, enough works like a determiner before the noun. It is important to place enough correctly to avoid mistakes. Remember, enough always comes after adjectives and adverbs, never before them. Also, enough comes before nouns. Avoid putting enough in the wrong place, like saying enough strong instead of strong enough. Enough means a sufficient amount. It comes after adjectives and adverbs, but before nouns. Practice using these patterns every day to become comfortable with enough. Mastering this word will improve your English greatly.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.